Good morning guys! So sa araw ngayon ay nandito tayo sa garden ng aking mga kasama. So ito pala yung garden nila guys at syempre madumi. So kaya ngayong araw na to ay magpuputol kami ng kahoy at maglilinis kami ng garden nila. So yan guys, dito kami muna mga science. Wala kami kasi ngayong activities. So ito pala yung garden nila guys. So ayang maliit na house niyan. Diyan yung mga gamit na gagamitin namin dito sa garden. So ayan guys. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako ngayon sa aking pagsisibak ng kahoy.
And I don't know why, but I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you can't tell, but stay a while and maybe then you'll see a different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me and how I used to be. This fades as morning breaks, a sleeping giant now awakes. The wind is calling out my name, a spark that turns into a flame. Out of the shadows, I see the light, a million stars are burning bright. No turning back, the path is clear, we leave behind the doubt and fear.
So ayan guys, napakasibag ko dyan, di ba guys? At pagkatapos na nga guys, at ito na, syempre magla-lunch na kami, lunch time na. So yan guys, lulutuin ko yan, gagawin ko siyang barbecue. At yung ano na yan, lulutuin ko is beer. Yung aywan ko kung kilala nyo yan dito sa Switzerland, there daw yan eh. So, ayan lang guys. Dito na lang ang aking movie. So, thank you for watching. At guys, pahingi naman dyan ng subscribe at like dito sa aking mini vlog sa Mary Rose Sidro Vlog YouTube my channel. So, ayan lang guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you and